Hi, and welcome back. This is the last lesson about confidence intervals. We are not going to get too deep into it, as it is just about knowing the formula. Sometimes we want to find the confidence interval for two sample means when the samples are independent, with unknown variances, and the variances are assumed to be different. You can think about comparing apples and oranges. You've heard the expression, right? Well, in statistics, if you actually want to compare apples and oranges, this is the right way to do it. Here's the confidence interval formula. Once again, we have the differences of the means of the two samples. The variances are the sample variances of each of the two variables, and here are the respective sample sizes. The tough thing about this is to estimate the degrees of freedom. Well, statisticians have come up with a formula that allows us to do just that. You have all the information, but it is highly unlikely that you will remember the formula. All right, we won't give an example of this case, as it won't add any value to this course. In this video, we just wanted to show you the right way to compare apples and oranges. Next time, we will get to the core of statistics, hypothesis testing. Don't miss out, and thanks for watching.